The Inofia Tri-Fold mattress is constructed of 5 inches. The mattress includes a removable jacquard ultra-soft bamboo cover with anti-slip bottom. Mattress in flat position measures 38 inches by 78 inches by 5 inches. When folded it measures 38 inches by 26 inches by 15 inches. Our foam all with superior high-density construction that will not lose its shape. Easy to care, removable and washable covers so you can keep it fresh with little effort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multifunctional mattress. Portable and foldable mattresses are perfect for temporary sleeping beds, road trips, and camping. The floor bed can also be used as a play area, reading books, or sitting on it to enjoy your relaxing time. Number 2. Premium quality. Memory foam foldable mattress design combined expertise and the best materials with advanced sleep technology. Memory foam is conducive to continuous airflow and breathability. Skin-friendly fabrics adapt to the environment to keep the mattress surface at the ideal sleeping temperature. Responsive foam adapts and conforms to your body for optimal pressure relief, improves comfort. Number 3. No risk. The foam of the mattress is Certi-Pur-US certified, ensuring no concern sleeping. The bamboo fiber mattress cover has good air permeability, instant water absorption and will keep you sleep cooling. Number 4. Ultimate experience. We are a manufacturer specializing in designing and producing mattresses. We provide a 100-night risk-free comfort experience and a 10-year warranty. Note: please allow up to 72 hours for the mattress to fully expand. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.